Namaste friends. Now we are seeing the cost sheet and the problem is prepare cost sheet from the following particulars. The particulars are direct materials, direct wages, direct expenses, oil and waste, wages of supervisors, wages of storekeepers, motive power, rent includes factory and office, repairs and renewals includes factory plant, machinery, office premises, depreciation. Next one, depreciation includes office premises, plant and machinery. Then consumable stores, lighting includes factory as well as office. Manager salary, which is divided into 3/4 factory and 1/4 office. Director's fees, office printing and stationery, telephone charges, postage and telegrams, salesman's commission, traveling expenses, advertising, warehouse charges, carriage outwards, and last sales. Now, these items are divided in four major parts, which is includes in prime cost, factory overheads, office and administrative overheads, and selling and distribution overheads. So, we will abbreviated these transactions which are allocated in that headings, that is prime cost. These those items which are covered or included in prime cost, we will abbreviated that P. Those items which are uh, converted or included in factory overheads, we will abbreviated an F. Those items which are converted or included in office and administrative overheads, which are abbreviated as O. And last, those items which are included or covered selling and distributions overheads, we will abbreviated as S. Now starts the problem. The first one, direct materials goes to prime cost, direct wages goes to prime cost, direct expenses also goes to prime cost, abbreviated as P. Then oil and wastage is included in factory overheads, abbreviated as F. Wages of supervisors, factory overheads, abbreviated as F. Wages of storekeepers, abbreviated as F, goes to factory overheads. Motive power also includes in factory overheads, abbreviated as F. Factory rent goes to factory rent goes to factory overheads, abbreviated as F. Office rent goes to office overheads, abbreviated as O. Repairs and renewals includes factory plant, F. Machinery also factory overheads, F. Office premises goes to office and administrative overheads, abbreviated as O. Depreciation, office premises goes to office, plant and machinery goes to factory, consumable stores goes to factory overheads, factory lighting goes to factory overheads, office lighting goes to office, manager salary, which is divided 3/4 factory and 1/4 office, that is F or O. Director's fees goes to office and administrative overheads, O. Office printing and stationery goes to office, O. Telephone charges goes to office, O. Postage and telegrams goes to office, O. Then salesman's commission or is the selling and distribution expenses goes to abbreviated as S. Traveling expenses also selling and distribution overheads goes to selling and distribution overheads, abbreviated as S. Advertising, selling and distribution overheads, warehouse charges, selling and distribution overheads, and carriage outwards goes to selling and distribution overheads, so abbreviated as S. Sales is a part of the problem, so it is not included in any other overheads. Now prepare the statement of quotient. It includes particulars, amount and amount column. And now starts. First one, direct materials amount rupees 1 lakhs. Then direct wages amount rupees 25,000. Direct expenses amount rupees 5,000. The sum of these three items is rupees 1,30,000, which is prime cost. Then in prime cost we will add factory overheads. First one, oil and wastage rupees 250. Wages of supervisors amount rupees 2,500. Wages of storekeepers amount rupees 1,250. Motive power rupees 500. Factory rent rupees 5,000. Repairs and renewals includes factory plant rupees 1,250. Machinery also repairs and renewals. Machinery amount rupees 2,500. Factory lighting amount rupees 1,250. Depreciation on plant and machinery amount rupees 500. Then consumable stores amount rupees 2,500. And manager salary, total manager salary rupees 5,000. The part of factory overheads is 3/4, so 3/4 of rupees 5,000, rupees 3,750. The sum of factory overheads is 21,250. This sum is included the prime cost, and the sum is rupees 1,51,250 is the factory or works cost. Then we will add this office and administrative overheads. The expenses which are included or part of office and administrative overheads are: first one, office rent rupees 2,500. Repairs and renewals of office premises rupees 500. Office lighting rupees 500. Depreciation on office premises rupees 1,250. Then manager salary, 1/4 of the part of office. So out of rupees 5,000, the 1/4 amount is 1,250, which is included in office and administrative overheads. Then director's fees rupees 1,250. Office printing and stationery rupees 500. Telephone charges rupees 1,125. Postage and telegrams rupees 250. The sum of office and administrative overheads is rupees 8,125, which is included in factory or works cost. The total amount is rupees 1,59,375, which is cost of production. Now in cost of production we added selling and distribution expenses. The selling and distribution expenses are: salesman's commission and salary rupees 1,250. Telephone charges rupees 500. Advertising rupees 1,250. Warehouse charges rupees 500. Carriage outwards rupees 375. The sum is 3,875, which is added in cost of production, and the sum is rupees 1,63,250 is the cost of sales or total cost. Then now in this problem the sales are rupees 2 lakhs. Now sales minus total cost, the balance is either profit or loss. When sales is greater than cost of sales or total cost, which is we treated as profit, and when when cost of sales or total cost is greater than sales, we are treated as loss. Now in this problem the sales are rupees 2 lakhs and total cost, that is cost of sales, is rupees 1,63,250. The balance is the profit and the balance is rupees 36,750 is the profit of that problem. Thank you.